guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a try on / show you my Boxy looks for this month. I'm very excited to go through it, and this is what the box looks like. It's a huge box this month and I have a lot of product to go through, so I'm going to be showing you all the product on my skin. But yeah, this month's box is worth $301.98, which is incredible, especially for the value of the box, what you pay for itself. It's crazy. I'm very excited with all the products I got, but please keep watching this video so that you can see how all the products go. This is obviously my finished look. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. To start off, I have the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. This is just a transforming moisturizer. This retails for $48. It's supposed to restore visible radiance, reduce the look of pores, discoloration, lines, wrinkles, and improve the look of firmness. So I'm hoping that this works well. It doesn't make me break out. But I'm just going to take a little tiny bit and just use my fingers to pat it on. So I'm going to do the rest of my routine up to eyebrows off camera, just so that we can get right into the next product. I will be right back. So I'm back. I've got most of my foundation on, most of my base layer on, and I'm baking. So next I'm going to use the iconic London eyebrow cushion. This is $40. Okay, so it's in this really cute like rose gold packaging. I find it really odd that this is $40, but I guess it is, so I don't know. So here it is. It comes in this really shiny packaging, and this is what it looks like in the inside. You've got a mirror, and then you pop this open. Right here is the brow stuff and the little brush. Brush wise, I'm just going to use my usual MAC 208 eyebrow brush. Okay, so that definitely looks really good. And it does pick up a ton of product, but it works really well. This is also shade medium. I'm assuming they like probably sent out a bunch of different ones depending on preferences. But yeah, these are the two brows. Like I said, this one is kind of just a little darker than I normally like it to be, but I don't really mind it. But this is a really good product. Just be careful that you don't pick up, like when you pat in, you really want only the top, like just a little bit. But yeah, I think they look really good. So next I'm going to be using this Cover FX Perfector face palette. This I was most excited for out of all the stuff I got in the BoxyCharm, or at least they released. It's really cute. The only thing that I'm a little disappointed is I thought for some reason they were going to be like cream products, but they are a powder, and they are just a little bit powdery because I played a little bit with them, but I haven't put them on my skin, so I'm hoping they transfer a little better. But super nice. And this retails for $45. So it's got talc-free formulas providing seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlights. And this comes in the light to medium and then another darker shade as well. I got obviously the light to medium. And then yeah, it's got the 2 highlighters, it's got a contour, a blush, brightener, and a finishing powder. I'm going to use also the Mata, I never know how to pronounce it. This is the powder and soft glow brush kit. These are $29.99. So there's a powder brush, good for translucent powder, and then a soft glow, which is good for highlighter. Or I'm going to go into the contour shade. This is Silhouette, and there's a lot of fallout. I just tapped it once and that's all the fallout right there. So next we're going to do eyes. I got the Morphe 15N Night Master in my BoxyCharm, and there was different varieties, so probably I think there was 4 different varieties, so everyone probably got something way different. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty interesting. It's definitely not a palette that I already have. I'm excited for all of the purples right here, but it's got just some neutrals. So this retails for $16. So since I'm also doing a complete BoxyCharm like try on right now, I am going to have to use the new Becca lipstick. So it's like a nudie color. This I'll talk about afterwards, but since it's like a nude sheen, I'll put it on. This is what it looks like. A darker nude. I think this palette definitely is going to be good. Yeah, I'm thinking just like kind of like a bronze look today. Please excuse my like get ready shirt, by the way. First, I'm going to go into the shade Custom right here. And I'm just going to put that all over the lid for a nice base shade. I did already prime. We're going to go in with the shade Selfie next, right here. And we're just going to put that as my transition shade. Then I'm going to go into shade Goals right here. It's just like a darker brown, slightly darker. Just put it right above that shade or like slightly below. Sorry. Wow. This formula is just so good. It just like glides on. So I'm gonna do shade Editorial right here. I'm using a smaller brush now. I'm gonna put this in the crease. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Hello right here. Okay, well, I'm going to go into the shimmer shade Talon right here. No, right here. And I'm going to see how it goes on without wetting the brush. So yeah, it definitely still shows up. I don't know if I'm going to wet the brush because it's not, I don't think it really needs it. And I don't want it like too bright either. I think I'm just going to leave it as is. Okay, but I am going to wet the brush for the inner corner. I'm going to go into the shade Unique right here. Okay, so that's at least the eyeshadow done. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, it's nothing too exciting, so I definitely, like, this palette isn't going to be like my everyday use kind of thing. The purples are really exciting. I'm definitely going to do like some purple underneath just to add like a pop of color because I don't want to be just brown because that's not exciting at all. I am going to do some eyeliner and I will do lashes as well and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm almost done. I added my eyeliner and I added my primer for my mascara. So I'm going to wipe off my bake now. I'm going to use this Moda brush. I have no idea what it's called. But yeah, here it is. This is the like powdered one. So let's see how this works. So yeah, I definitely took the product off my face. My face after using the moisturizer feels so silky. I will use this, even though it's for highlighter, just to sculpt out a little bit. I do want to use the brightener shade right here under my eye just to see, but not too much because it's like a shimmer. So just do like a little bit. It definitely did. It added like a sheen, a shimmery sheen to under my eye. I'll do a little bit like on my nose. I do kind of like this. I've got faith in it. So I will add the blush. This is like a, I don't know, it's like a brighter pinky coral. Dab it on. Again, a lot of fallout. A lot. Yeah, okay, that is really pretty. You can see it. Dip in one more time. Yeah, look how pretty that is. That looks so good with the contour. It like blends perfect. I'm just going to add some more. I will go in with this Moda brush again just to make sure they are blending good together. Alright, I'm just going to go back in with my mascara real quick and then I'll be right back. I did my mascara. I want to go back in with the Morphe palette just to do my lower lash line, smoke out some stuff. I want to do the purple just because I want to add like a little bit of color. So I feel like it looks really pretty, but I need like something so it pops right now. Okay. You know what? I might do the dark into the light purple. So I'm going to do Scene into Cliche. Oh my god, it looks so good. I wish my camera would pick up the colors better. I just feel like the lighting and the camera just doesn't work for each other, which I will be upgrading soon, but still. You can kind of see it. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into the Cover FX palette. I kind of want to try the finishing powder. I have noticed that looking in the mirror, the brightener has a sheen, so like my whole nose already looks like it's highlighted, which is a little annoying, but oh well. So the finishing powder, I'm not exactly sure where to even put that because it is also like a sparkle. I guess I'm just gonna maybe tap it over this. Do some on my forehead, on my chin. So now I'm gonna do the highlighter. I'm definitely gonna do the more goldy one right here. I'm gonna use the new brush that's supposed to be good for highlight. And it does pick up a lot of product. Again, still a lot of fallout, but we'll see how it looks. I really don't see anything on my skin so far. So I'm gonna try not to tap as much off. Nope, but I really don't see anything. Let me try my nose. So I don't know if it's the brush or the product, but I like barely see anything. So I'm gonna go in with a different brush. It's the Jeffree Star brush. Tap it in. Yeah, so it's definitely that brush. So I'm gonna do my hair, get dressed, and then put my lipstick on for you guys. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got my hair done, so next I'm gonna do my lipstick. So this is the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. It's $24. It's supposed to be a moisturizing 8-hour long wear silky satin lip color. And so this is my finished look with all of the BoxyCharm makeup products that I could use today. I'm going to show you the rest of the stuff that came in my Boxy Luxe. So that's not makeup because obviously I can't try like skincare all at once. So there's 4 other things that I got that I did not use today. We'll start off with the Lily lashes. These are the exclusive faux mink Gaia lashes. These are $24.99. And it's super cute. I just don't really generally wear lashes, so I didn't want to wear them today. So next we have a nail polish. This is the Deborah Lippmann Odana and Modern Love nail polishes. These are supposed to be like a gel polish. They have 10 active ingredients, help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails. And they're supposed to give you like a gel polish effect without damaging, and these are $20. Super cute. I really, really like this one. They're like the same nude color, but this has that metallic sheen. It's like a purpley pink. And then next we have a Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, which this I'm pretty sure I already got in my Ipsy, like I saw a sample. And I really liked it, so I'm really excited. I also have been really into like Wander Beauty stuff. Like in my favorites, I had that cheek palette. But yeah, this is $34. So next we have this really cute BoxyCharm traincase. This is $20. It is still a little flat because I obviously just got it, but I think it's super cute. It's like a bronze, but it has like a rainbow sheen to it. You can kind of see it, and it's got the BoxyCharm logo. This is super cute. I'm definitely going to put like all of the products I got that I haven't tried yet in here. But yeah, that's it for my video. I hope you guys liked the try on and everything I showed you with the BoxyCharm. I will put links below to the products as well as to sign up for a subscription, but I highly recommend it. BoxyCharm is so great, especially for people that like to experiment with their makeup. It's also good for beginners because you get so much variety. And so remember that this is the Boxy Luxe, not just the BoxyCharm. So the products I got in this aren't obviously all the products you get in the BoxyCharm, the regular one. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. There will be more coming on the way. But yeah, thank you very much. Have a great rest of your day.